Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set up a clean architecture folder structure directly in VS Code. No theory, just hands-on. If you want to know what clean architecture is, please watch my previous video. Just now, clean architecture separates concern and keeps your code maintainable and scalable. It divides your project into layers with clear responsibilities. So first, we check what version we have .NET, right? On .NET 4. Okay, so we have already installed in .NET 9. If you don't have, please install the SDK. So after install, you can check on command with the command9.net info to tell you what's the version you have. And next, so let's see what's inside in .NET 9 using the command.net this. Okay, so we have a lot of templates, and I'm focusing on API project where I divide my project into layers with clear responsibilities. Let's start with the folder name Next. So there's a couple of templates. You will see we need a solution, we need a API, web API. Also we need a class lib, and also we need solution. So which is the short command is there. Okay, just short name like this type. Okay, so let's start with the directory name. The directory name is mkdir, and the name is so create a new solution. We already created a Cygnus, so we come to the Cygnus. Okay, and now create a new solution for the .NET. Create solution created, and we create a web API project. API is the folder name, and I use the folder. Okay, next we create a class library project, which is on application, domain, and infrastructure. So I can create for and now next we will add a project into the solution using the command.net. Okay, and we will add the button. Next we will add man and okay, so let's reference our project so they can talk to each other. Now next another command we will use. Okay, first we use the API and set there .NET. So our API project has reference application. Next, our application project has reference domain and infrastructure. So next, we come to the first application. So our application has reference domain. Okay. Next, our infrastructure project has reference domain. All right. So finally, we restore the project, which is used for the main folder. Okay, and we Now next, add check the .resolution list for the command. Right. Now this is good. Now we next open the project in VS Code. So I am just going to open up the VS Code using the shortcut code dot and enter. Okay, so once you enter the command, then it will show you the VS Code, and we can see our different project inside here. Now there is a two view. There is a one view is files and folder, and the other view is Solution Explorer. So that's the basic folder structure for clean architecture. From here, you can start implementing your entities, service controller, and so on. So if you enjoy the content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And see you the next video. Thanks.